Folks, how you doing today? So this just come out of full restoration from our shop. This is a 1926 Caille 1-cent gumball trade stimulator with a fortune-telling award card. I've done many of these videos on this machine. These machines sell extremely well. But what happens is that every time you played it, you could retrieve a 1 gumball for your penny. As well as this is penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. This plays all 4 coins. Here is your award card, and we've showed you before. In the award card, it's buried. If you get 2 cherries, in the fortune it says 2, 4, 4, 8, 8. So it's in the award card, which it talks about the payout over the counter. So the way that this works is we'll try a quarter. So as you see, my quarters came up here. Okay, I didn't get a winner. If I want my gumball, I pull this to get my gumball. Okay. Now, as well as back here is the knockoff button. So you would, if you, let's say you got 2 cherries. Hey bartender, I hit 2 cherries, played a quarter, you owe me 50 cents. He would pay you your 50 cents, and this little knob on the back, he would turn, knock it off, then he could go back to his job and you could play on. Because what happens is every time you play this, okay, there's my last coin played, which could be penny, nickel, dime, or quarter. Now I put my next nickel in, this one's going to drop off, and my next nickel comes up. So it releases the last coin played and shows the one you just played. Everything has been gone through in this machine. We did it all in chrome plate. We refinished the wood in a beautiful satin lacquer finish, as you see. Very, very nicely done. Everything has been done in chrome, as well as we like to put them in our custom cradles. This machine is simply sitting in the cradle. No screws, no nothing, and it is divoted there, so it will not come out, okay? As well as we plated the back door, done very nicely. Here is a cash box to catch the coins. We even knocked this all out, chromed all this. All the feet are chromed. This is a very nice machine. It shows so well with the chrome. We did this one in black here, green up here, black trim. I think it's a really good color combination. Spectacular machine, beautiful. Once again, I'm looking for these. I think we've had about 8 of them or 10 of them in the last couple years. All of them are gone except the one sitting over here, which is done in black, which is also on eBay currently. So if you want a really nice present with all the beautiful oak, I mean, it's all refinished. This should be for you. These are great games, as well as they're an asset everywhere, every time down the road, no matter when, it's always worth money. Beautiful machine, gonna look great on your bar. And don't forget, we do restorations. We're picking stuff up all over the country now. So if people call us, I just picked up a barrel scale for a full restoration. A guy just gave me a call from San Francisco, said, hey, I got a barrel scale out in Massachusetts, family heirloom. What can we do? I said, no problem, my friend. Give me your name, address, and telephone number. I had it picked up. It's on its way here now. He's going to come down from San Francisco. We're going to talk about the restoration, and then he will probably take it with us. So we get things picked up all over the country. It's not a problem for us. Kitty rides horses, whatever you want to do, give us a call. Send us some pictures. We'll shoot you a price, and it's one-stop shop. Just pick up the phone, and it's all left to us. Anyway, thank you for looking at this piece. I hope somebody gets it. It's a beautiful piece, and we're building all kinds of cool stuff. Going to do some more videos today of some other products, kind of on a roll, as you can tell. So anyway, thanks for looking, and beautiful machine.
These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.